Hi students, we are studying about the velocity time graph. What are all the parameters we can find out from velocity time graph? And in the previous video, we read about how to find out the acceleration from the velocity time graph. Now we will see how to find out the displacement, which is nothing but the area under the curve. I have taken two values. The first one, velocity time graph, 0 to 5, the difference in time period, and 0 to 10 the velocity. I have taken one value, 0 to 5 and 0 to 10. So the area under the curve gives you the displacement. Very important. This is my curve which gives the constant velocity. The area under this curve is known as your displacement. See the first value here. It is a rectangle in shape. So area under the curve is nothing but your area of the rectangle. We know the formula for area of the rectangle, which is nothing but A cross B. So I am taking A here and B here. What is the value of A? 0 to 10. So what is the total value? A is 10. Here 0 to 5. So B is 5. Just multiply 10 into 5, which is nothing but 50 meter. Your displacement for this particular graph is nothing but 50 meter. What about the second graph? I have taken the increasing slope. So we have to find out, I am taking the value between 10 to 20. They can ask you any value, be very careful. Here I have taken the displacement between 10 to 20. If they are asking you between 0 to 10, only this triangle. 0 to 20, this triangle. Here rectangle, and again we have one more triangle. So depends on the time period what they are asking, you have to find out the displacement. Here I have taken between 10 to 20 seconds. The displacement of the vehicle between 10 to 20 seconds. So here I have to find out the area under the curve. Where is the curve? This is the curve between 10 to 20. So I have to find out the area under this curve. So area under this curve. Area under this curve. One I am having which is rectangle in the shape, the another one is triangle in the shape. I am shading both the values. So first one, area of the triangle, another one, area of the rectangle. Area of the triangle, we know the formula, half into base into height, and area of the rectangle is nothing but A cross B. So substitute the value here. What is the difference? Base is 20 minus 10, 10. So if this is 10, what about this? This is also 10. This is 10. Here also you will have the value 10 only. So half into B base, which is nothing but 10. The height, what is the difference? 10 minus 5, which is nothing but 5. So half into BH is nothing but half into 10 into 5. What about the rectangle? A cross B. So this value I am taking as A, and here the value is B. Like how we did AB. And here also A and B. Substitute 5 cross 10, which is nothing but 50. So half into B into H plus AB. AB is 5 cross 10. So you will get 75 meter as the displacement between 10 to 20 seconds. If they are asking you between 0 to 10, then you have to find out the area of this triangle only. 0 to 20, area of the triangle 1, triangle 2 and the rectangle. So read the question again and again. Go for the questions. Questions if you are not reading at least twice, because you are just stepping into like 8th to 9th when you are moving. It will be very difficult to understand the terms. So spend more time. Read the question and again. Write the given parameters. Then you will be able to do all these sums like this. How to find out the velocity time graph or position time graphs very easily. So practice your all the questions. Thank you.